Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. We're live once again. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real positions, my real money, my real trades. And we're joined every day by our traders around the world as we trade live. This is my live position up here. We did drop big time this morning and we went green for a short while, but we're back. We are back again in the red, just slightly, but nevertheless, we are back in the red again. Let's get straight into our main trades. Here we go. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you are here. Let me know you're here. And if you're over there on TikTok, come and join us here on YouTube, youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. You can see all my shares. This is my YouTube show up here if you want to be part of it. Stream Elements bot running. Stream Elements bot running. What does that mean? No idea what that means. Stream Elements bot running. I've never seen anything like it. What's all that about? Just coming into the chat. Stream Elements bot running. That's kind of weird. Never seen that before. Anybody know what that is in the main chat? Bit confusing. Anyway, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. That would be absolutely fantastic. Are you ready? Okay, let's get straight into our live trades right now. Here we go. So, here is Neurosense. We are back up in the black again, in the green. That looks good. We like that. Looking nice this afternoon. This was our top tip this afternoon from one of our members, Robbie Cooper, I think it was. Thank you very much indeed. I'm up 10%. That's nice to make some money for a change. We like that. All right, okay, let's have a look now at Vanguard S&P is up 0.81. Sorry, I beg your pardon, down 0.81, and Virgin Galactic is down 0.48. Everything turned green for a while. Virgin Orbit is looking better. Let's see who's in the live chat first of all. Robbie Cooper is here. Stream Elements bot running. Anybody have a clue what that is? Ain't got a clue what that is. Really weird. Anyway, hi again, Dexter Sickles. How are you, Dexter Sickles? Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. Come on into YouTube. We'd love you to be a part of the main show. Get involved. It's going to be a busy day today. We've got our cash giveaway in the morning. I can enter you all into the cash giveaway. If you come on into YouTube, I'll give it to you. So if you want to be part of that, that'll be awesome. Anyway, let's get straight into our positions right now. We've got Virgin Orbit now up 8.29. Very nice today. I'm up 44 bucks on it. Finally making some money on it. Don't know how long it'll last for, but it's up right now. Tesla is down today 1.33. Rivian is down 1.6. Lucid is also down 0.49. Let's check all our crypto right now. Ethereum is down 6.6%. Are you dollar cost averaging? Are you? That's the big question today. Bitcoin is down at 18,950. I'm buying a little bit more. I'm thinking of it as a lottery ticket, if I'm completely honest with you. Anyway, let's have a little look. That is Bitcoin SV. Enphase Energy. Love this one. I'm up now 5.74. Totally, I'm up 8.14 now. Polestar, says Ali Isles. Polestar now is down 18%. It's getting lower and lower and lower. I'm not buying any more yet. This could be in trouble right now. It's getting really seriously low, so I've no idea how low that's going to go. But anyway, we'll keep our eye on it. Lucid is down 0.61. Rivian is down 1.69. And we just talked about Tesla a few moments ago. So we are back. We are back again in the red right now. Let's check over on YouTube how many are with me. Subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. Oh no, Polestar doing me the dirty. Yeah, not looking good right now. Not looking good right now. Smash the like button. Hey, you gorgeous rocket man, how's it hanging? It is the Tesla Jam making me proud. Oh yeah, I'm buying more on Monday. Buying more on Monday. Well, I'm waiting for it to go lower because I don't know how low is low. It could go a lot lower yet. So we have to be a little bit careful with it. We don't know where it's going to go. Dasher Pickus. Good afternoon, Dasher. How are you this afternoon? Let's welcome Dasher Pickus in. And As you can see, Dasher, consider being a member. Nearly every single person now who watches our show is a member because they gain 20 times what they put in. Ask everybody what they get. And you'll see that's why nearly everybody who watches our show now is a member. We have 68 members now. I can't believe it. It's incredible. It's growing every single day. There is the email newsletter. Don't forget, if you want to receive that on Sunday, you click on that. When you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page. You see this page here, and you put your email address in, nothing else, just your email. Don't want anything else at all, just your email. Once you put your email in, you then need to check, you click subscribe and then check your email inbox for the verification email, and you need to click on that to make sure you are verified. Without verifying your email, you will not receive the email. Okay, very, very important. Let me just change my screen a minute. Let's have a look here. I want to search for some news for you I think you might be interested in. I'm just bringing it up now. See if it's still relevant. Okay. Yeah, all looking good. I'll bring that to you shortly. I'm Sam, and I'm Elton John, tribute fellow supporter from the UK, Brighton. Do you want to hear from Sam? Of course you do. You all want to hear from Sam, right? Okay, here is Sam today. This is one of our traders, and this is Sam in the chat right now. Here he is.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John.
Is that right?
Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man. He's beautiful. He is the Rocket Man. I thought I was.
No.
His name is Martyn Lucas.
Correct.
Follow him.
That's
he
me.
is the day trader.
And here is Bill.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And
Great
he sings
stuff.
a song for you. He'll do
That's
your birthdays and have a good time with everybody. New members are needed and wanted, and away we go. We have fun. We support each other.
That's what it's all about. There we go. Thank you, Bill. Love that. All right. Now then, if anybody goes over to TikTok now, you might notice a difference, and you might notice a difference here on YouTube. We've now got 36 members for our first edition of our email on Sunday. Very excited about it. Thank you very much for all of you that have signed up. I hope you all enjoy it. Okay, we've got 18 followers for our Kickstarter in the morning. Very, very exciting. Look out for the videos that are coming out later today. We are very excited about our Kickstarter. Oh, Bill, thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose, Bill. I appreciate it very much indeed. Good stuff. The Atlanta Fed officially confirms we are in recession. 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth. This might be very bullish for stocks next week. Horrific economic news. Good for equity markets. Yes, indeed. We've been waiting for it. This is why I've been buying the dips. I've been saying we're in recession now for a couple of weeks. I already said it before the experts. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about. You need to know you're in recession before you can make any money. It took them a time to realize that and to make it official. But they've officially announced we're in recession, so good stuff. We can now get the markets moving again, hopefully. Hopefully we will get the markets moving again. Right, Twitch is open. Twitch is open. We are now at 2.7, guys. Sorry, no, we're not. No, we're not. I beg your pardon. No, we're not. Hang on a minute. I think I said wrong. We are now at 2.8. 2.8. Our stream this morning was 7. We need at least 7 people to be in Twitch for this last hour of our show today. And we will hold, and we will be 2.8 or 2.9 in the morning for Friday. We might even get 3 tomorrow now. So that's really, 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 really great. So jump on in Twitch. Twitch is now open. We've got 70 followers now. Absolutely awesome. Thank you very much indeed. Really great. I appreciate it. Surprised they said we are in recession. Normally they say all is well and all is good. No, I want recession. I want recession. It means we're at the bottom or we are getting nearer the bottom. We want a recession. That's really, really important. All right. I like it. So let's have a look now. Neurosense is up today. I'm up at the moment, so looking good. The portfolio is dropping down again, though. Another rinse out. Let me give everybody the Twitch link because we've only got one person in there right now, and we need it to be at 7 for this remainder of the show today. And then the cash giveaway is in the morning. I might make it a rule. You can't be in the cash giveaway unless you join me on Twitch. All right, okay. Bad news is good news. Market makers pricing in Fed rate cuts for the end of Q4 despite 40-year high inflation. This is the definition of stagflation and insanity. There you go. Market Profits giving his insight this morning. All right. Neurosense Therapeutics. Bill's over there on Twitch. Thank you, mate. Appreciate it very much. Vanguard S&P is now down 1.21. 1.21 today. Virgin Galactic is now down 1.25. Down 1.25. We were in the green earlier today, but we're back down in the red again now. Virgin Orbit's had a great day. Remember I told you the military connections with the war? It's starting to happen, so we're getting ready for the war. You're going to see Virgin Orbit go up. I think they're going to have a part to play in the war, so watch this space, see if I'm right. So far, it looks like I'm right. I'm up 4% today, 8.5% today, and 4% overall. Looking good. Tesla is down 1.99. I'm still holding it. Rivian is down 2% today. There we go. And Lucid is also down. Our crypto isn't looking great either. I'm dollar cost averaging on the way down. I'm expecting it to go further and further down. So I'm prepared for all of that. If you're over there on Twitch, thank you so much indeed. If you're over there on TikTok, thanks for being part of it. If you want to come in and join in our show today, we've got a cash giveaway. It's free to enter, free for all, and you can be in it. So if you want to be part of that, come and join me here on YouTube. The link's in the profile, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Are you trading futures or spot? If you come into YouTube, we talk serious about my portfolio, and I share with you my portfolio. This is it on the screen. You can't really see it on TikTok. TikTok isn't really the place for trading. Come and join me on YouTube, and I'll share with you my entire portfolio, my real money, my real portfolio with everyone. Okay. I have a Robinhood account, and it's currently at $30,000 odd, up from $5,000, just to give you an idea. Okay. We got 3 now on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. Hopefully we'll get more than 7 today. Commodities imploding right now. I'm also not in commodities either, not in oil either. I'm in growth and tech stocks. Commodities imploding right now despite tight inventories alongside bond yields and equities. This is eerily similar to what happened in 2008, just prior to the GFC. So what is the GFC? Prior to the GFC. What was the GFC? If you could give me that information, that would be interesting. Thank you. Down 2% again now. Dear, oh dear. So we're just holding on for now. If you wish to be a member of our channel, here it is our invitation. We have nearly 70 members now. Nearly everybody who watches our show is a member. 95% of our audience now is a member. Do we learn about stocks here? CJIDK. Well, you can decide whether you learn anything or not. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Martyn Lucas, known as the World Piano Man. Here is my TV studio for you. Let me give you a wave. How are you doing? And it's lovely to have you here. We've raised over $1 million for our members and our charities in this studio, where our members get all the money, don't pay me anything, keep all the money, and I take nothing out of it. That's what we do here. And during the show, someone can request a song, and I'll go back to the piano and perform a song. But right now, I am trading my real shares, my real money. But how are commodities imploding? Which assets? Theodore Roll. Okay, Theodore Roll is asking market profit, the great financial crisis. Thank you. Which are the commodities that are imploding? Theodore Roll would like to know. Jonah Gold is here. Dr. Nathan Smith is here. Welcome, Dr. Nathan Smith. Wonderful to have you here. We're getting ready for the big Kickstarter in the morning. We are hoping to go viral in 1 hour on Kickstarter. How you go viral on Kickstarter is become successful, get funded in 1 hour on your, this is TikTok, by the way, this morning. Can you see how we've changed the lighting and stuff like that? You may notice a slight difference. Trying to make it better and better. It's virtually impossible because TikTok doesn't have any of the quality controls like YouTube does. But never mind. There you go. What was I going to say? Yeah, you go viral by getting funded in 1 hour for our Virgin Orbit movie. It's not a charity. I'm not asking for handouts. I'm asking for you to invest in the business to make it possible. And you can be involved in the film, the making of the film, be in it and all sorts of stuff. So there you go. And the idea is to go to England and film at Virgin Orbit. But how many commodities are imploding? We are waiting for that answer. Theodore Roll, that will come up in a second. Let me come back over to Twitch and see you there. I will give you the information as soon as I've got it on the screen. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the information that you were asking for. Market profit. Natural gas just dropped 17%. Biggest single day drop since 2008. This is ultimately great for stocks because it will bring the price down of oil, transportation, gas. Eventually, it'll take a time to roll through, but it should. And oil and copper and cotton and wheat, all those things coming down in price is good for stocks. Not good for the commodity stocks, of course, but it's good for the companies that use these commodities. You name the commodity, it's gotten destroyed in the last week. There you go. Thank you, Market Profit, for sending that in. Despite everything having tight inventory. There you go. Let's carry on. Here we go. Neurosense Therapeutics. I'm up 2.25% at the moment. Vanguard S&P is going back down again. One last rinse out. And then we might start turning bullish. We've got 4 people now on Twitch. We need 7. We've got 70 followers now, by the way. Thank you very much indeed. Thumbs up, everybody. We love it. Thank you very much indeed. If you can open a second tab, that'd be great. Yeah, Dr. Smith, I don't know if you have yet done this, but let me give it to you right now. We have our first weekly newsletter. It comes out on Sunday. Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. GMT time. Here it is. Here is the invitation to join. I only require your email, nothing more. Nothing more. You go into this form here. That's what the link will give you. Put your email in there, click subscribe. And then once you've done that, you will be then sent it. But you have to check your email inbox for the verification email. You're not going to get things you get on the show. There's going to be a few extra things, fun things, maybe some competitions. It's a personal, like a magazine every Sunday at the same time. All right, great stuff. We've now got 36 people have signed up for it. So thank you very much indeed to all of you that have done that. And of course, the Kickstarter is in the morning. The idea is get funded in an hour and then go viral. We've got 18 followers. If you've not yet followed me, you need to set up an account quick because in the morning it goes live and hopefully, fingers crossed, it gets funded in an hour. I don't know how it's going to happen. I've covered 95% of the investment myself. I'm only asking for $500, but maybe it's a big ask in these very difficult times. I don't know. You tell me. We'll find out in the morning. The only reasoning in why it's good for equity markets is because the Fed might ease monetary policies. That is good. But of course, if commodities come down, it's better for transportation and better for those companies that use those products, I would have thought. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's the way I understood it. Anyway, as you can see, everything is still falling. We've had months and months and months of this now. As you can see, look, I came into the market right at the top. I came in the market the last few months as it was pounding up, thought, wow, this is easy. This is incredible. I love this. And then down ever since. And all I've been doing is buying the dips, getting cheaper stocks of the companies I love, and waiting for it to turn around. The only thing that holds the Fed markets up is Fed support. The only thing that holds the markets up is Fed support. What, you think it has nothing to do with the companies at all? Nothing to do with the innovation or the creation or the profits or anything? I don't see it as black and white as that, but I'm sure you know very well. So there you go. That's a very strong opinion from Market Profit. We appreciate that information, though. All right, let's have a look. How many have we got on Twitch now? 4. Thank you very much indeed. If you've just come in today on YouTube, subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it very much indeed. There you go. Fed support has dried up, though. There's no Fed support right now. No. Everybody will agree with that, including Market Profit, I'm sure. All right. Give us a thumbs up as well. Let's try and get to 20 likes. We got 40 minutes to go before the bell goes. Very short show today. We are going to close at the bell just a few minutes after. So we got a big day planned tomorrow for the Kickstarter day. I've never done it before. No idea what's going to happen. Hello, the Vagabond Day. How are you this afternoon? Welcome to our channel. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome. Let me give you an official welcome. This is the Day Trader Studio, and you are very welcome here. Thanks for being here. And this is where we raise money for our charities and our members and so on and so forth. It's lovely to have you here. And there you go. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and my studio is here in Cornwall. My home is in Cornwall, in the United Kingdom, but my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. All right. Shimmy, shimmy, chuckle, wow. What's all that about? You on the source again, Bill? What's all that about? I've no idea what you're saying there, Bill. Shimmy, shimmy, chuckle, wow. Let's have a look at this one. Market Profit has just said, no, or else we would have an 80% lower valuation, like other world markets. The US equities are overvalued and frothy only because of 14 years of Fed liquidity. Okay? So maybe... I mean, what are you saying then? We shouldn't be in the markets anymore. How do you make money then? How do you invest and make a return if no one's in the markets? What's the point? You gain another new subscriber, the Vagabond Day. The Vagabond Day. Did you just subscribe to the channel? I didn't see that. Normally when someone subscribes, this is what happens. That's what happens normally. I missed it. So what I'll do, as I missed it, I will go over then to our other screen and we'll have a quick look. Let's have a look. Here comes our subscribers. 7110, 7111. There you go. That must be you. Thank you very much indeed. I'm sorry you didn't get the fanfare. Normally it displays it on the screen and we all celebrate. But welcome, 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 Vagabond Day. So we go live every day for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real. This is my real money, my real trades. And sometimes as the world piano man, somebody will make a request and I'll go back to my music studio over there and do a song live in the show. That sometimes happens if you make a request as a $10 super chat, which covers the loss of my copyright. If I sing a song, I lose my ad revenue. So there we go. You invest when the Fed bails out the market again. So when's that going to be? Bit late for me, market. I'm already up to my eyes in investments right now. But there you go. I was always taught to invest in the stock market. Can I use monopoly money? I think you can. I think we're all using monopoly money, aren't we? I mean, that's the only thing that's real right now. Would everybody please welcome our new guest, Vagabond Day. I like his little emoji there. By the way, you'll notice nearly everybody in our chat has a badge. It means they're members. Nearly everybody who watches our show is a member, and ask them why. We've built a membership program which benefits everybody and gives them 20 times back what they put in. This channel is trying to become the best YouTube channel in the world. That's our aim. That's what I want to do. The best production, the best lights, the best sound, most honest, most real, great people that advise and support everyone. As you can see, we put a lot of effort into our production here, and that's what we're all about. And if you'd like to be on the homepage of our... I'm trying to fix my lights here on TikTok. There we go. There we go. Is that better? There you go. If you'd like to be on the homepage of our YouTube channel, I make a video for you and promote you. This is our YouTube channel, and we put all our members on the homepage, and I even make a video for you. Here, these are all our members. There you go, something to consider. And also we got our cash prize giveaway. That's in the morning as well. So who wants to be in our cash prize giveaway for the morning? If you do, here is the video you watch. And leave the comment Polestar, and you will be in our cash prize giveaway. At the moment, we're a small channel. We make $10 a video, and I give away my money I make on the video. When I make more money, I'll give away more money. There you go. There is the competition video. If you're over on TikTok and you want to be in the draw, there is the video. All right. Are the war stocks, LOL, brass? It's usually good these times, right? The war stocks, brass. How is brass doing? Market profits, as all commodities are down at the moment. But there we go. Brass for making bullets. Isn't that awful? Isn't that awful the way we live? Incredible, really. Anyway, Vanguard S&P 500, as you can see, is down, but pushing up again. Tomorrow's going to be interesting. It's a Friday, of course, sell-off Friday. It's the end of the quarter. Be interesting to see what happens. And then next month, of course, we've got all the earnings reports coming through. So it'll be very, very interesting to see what happens. Okay. Virgin Orbit is up 8%. Like I said, looking good. I think I have it memorized. What do you have memorized, Bill? What do you have memorized? Stealing Walmart, though. Yes, 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 yes. They tell you when they tighten and when they loosen. That's why I get out a month after the tightening cycle. Okay. Still in Walmart, though. Yes, me too. Me too. Here's my Walmart position. You were spot on there. Absolutely spot on, as you have been for quite a bit. So there you go. There's my Walmart position. And here is my Target position. My Target is improving, but not as good as Walmart. No question about that. Paul B is here. Don't you love it when people say we're at the bottom when then the markets fall again? Absolutely. It's a sick world of greed, money and death with a sprinkling of nice things. With a sprinkling of nice things. That's what this channel hopefully is, right? The video for $10. Oh, yes. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Let's look at our crypto right now and let's see how we're doing on crypto. Ethereum is down 0.6. Bitcoin is down 5. Not looking good. Bitcoin SV is down 0.39. Let me make a slight adjustment. Stay right there, guys. All right. Just made a very, very slight adjustment. See if that's a bit better. I'm making some tweaks today. You might have noticed. I don't know if you noticed it or not. Maybe you did. Maybe you didn't. Everybody's been calling for a bottom, and we aren't even 10% of the way down yet. Oh no, come on. We can't be only 10% of the way down yet. Because if we're only 10% of the way down, that means we've got 90% more to go. That means then my portfolio is worth about $3. That means I'm completely bankrupt. So basically, Apple and Microsoft and Amazon are all going to be worth about $10. We can't be down. We can't just be 10% down. Look at that. I've only got great companies, look. And I'm down 47%, and you're saying we're only 10% down. We've got another 90% to go. Well, that means I'll be down about 95% of my entire value. I'll have nothing left. That can't be. I mean, are you telling me that's... bloody hell, really? I certainly hope not. I mean, you might go, well, what a great opportunity. Great opportunity if you sat on the sidelines waiting for all that to happen. But then I wouldn't even thought it'd be worth buying the companies back. You'll bankrupt every company. Every company will be bankrupt, won't it? Every company will be worth sod all. It won't ever be worth buying anything ever again. I don't see any point to that. Virgin Galactic is going up as well now. I'm green for the day on Virgin Galactic. Still down 10%. Virgin Orbit is also up. Historically speaking, that's what's about to come. Well, if that happens, I think, well, if that happens, I think it'll kill the stock market for 1,000 years to come. I mean, every company will go bankrupt. Nobody will be able to raise money. Everybody will have, that'll be an absolute disaster, won't it? I would have thought that would be an absolute disaster. Historically speaking, that's what's about to come. Well, we certainly hope not. I would imagine anyone waiting for the bottom might, for a minute, think that's a good idea. But if we went down that much, half the companies would be bust and there'd be nothing left. I wouldn't have thought that would be the best thing to do. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see. I'm sure crypto's going that way. But I wouldn't have thought Apple's going that way. By the way, I mention Apple a lot for a good reason. It's 7.5% of my portfolio, and it would actually be about 15% of my portfolio, which is very bullish, right? So I certainly hope that isn't 90% from the bottom. 1,000 years to come. Nah, just a few years since and repeat. Well, anyway, I don't mean 1,000 years. I'll be dead. I'll be dead in 1,000 years. Might even be 1,000 years. You never know. You never know. All right. Amazon is down 2.27. Arrival is up today. Had a great day for Arrival. We're heading back up to that $2 again. You need to wash out the speculation and need to start with a healthy baseline again. It happened in the Japanese Nikkei in the 80s, and it's just started to break even again. Wow. Historically speaking, the Nasdaq has had the worst 6-month chart start of the year. The worst 6-month start of the year. Is that ever of all time? I'm so glad I got into the stock market this year then. You know, hey, why not? Get into the stock market, start investing at the worst time ever in the history of the world. Elijah Jessen, is that Elijah Hesbon? Top 3 viewer. Promote me, please. I will gladly promote you. If you're over on TikTok, I will gladly share your YouTube link and everything I can. I can't do it on TikTok though, can I? There's no links to promote or anything. But I would gladly promote you and make a video for you and put your YouTube channel on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I do it for everybody. But you have to come into YouTube. There's nothing on TikTok. TikTok is just silly. If you want to be part of a real channel, come into YouTube. YouTube.com/TheDayTrader1. Links in the profile. Historically speaking, the Nasdaq has had the best 18 months ever in 2021. Everything reverts to mean always. Wow. So I came in at the stock market on its best run ever, followed by the worst ever. Brilliant. Brilliant. I'm so glad I decided to create a day trader channel and go on YouTube and invest on the stock market. What was I thinking? What was I bloody thinking? Anyway, we are starting to recover a little bit. Neurosense is just down again. I was up for a while, but never mind. S&P is trying to recover. So the man in the 90s, so the mean is 90% down from here. Oh, bloody hell. I mean, that's depressing, isn't it? Is everyone depressed now? Market profit. Have you been drinking? Yeah, but I tell you what, he's been right, though. He's been right all the way through this downturn, though. I will say that for him. So, you know, we might not like it, but like I've always said, you got to tell the truth, right? Who knows? We'll see, shall we? Anyway. Paula Market, good evening. Patty's here. Everyone jumped in the stock market in 2021, and you're not alone. Martin, my garbage man was giving me stock tips last year. I know. We were all doing it, right? We were all doing it. Look at me. I'm brilliant. I am. I'm buying all these stocks. Yeah, I get it. I totally get it. We all get excited when we're right. That's what the purpose of this channel is, to remind us we get it wrong just as often. All right. 25 minutes to go. I want to thank our 36 people who are our distribution, our circulation for our first email newsletter on Sunday. I want to thank the 18 people that have clicked notify me on launch for tomorrow's launch of Kickstarter in 18 hours. Thanks to all of you for being part of it. In the morning, it's a 3-week campaign, but we are hoping to get funded in 1 hour. I don't know how likely that is, but that's why I made it as low as possible. All right, so we'll see what happens. See what happens. See if market profit comes in and helps me out. I don't know. I don't know what to say about it. But remember, you don't invest in the business unless it gets funded. Okay, so you can pledge and not have to worry. For tomorrow morning, we have only. Hang on. This is how many people are in the draw tomorrow for our cash giveaway. Just 10 people. Look at this. Just 10 people have entered the competition for our cash giveaway in the morning. Just 10. All right? Just 10. And it's going to be the very last time we do a competition like this. After this, we're going to change the rules, and I'll explain it all in the morning. But as you can see, there are just 10 people who have entered the competition for the morning. So if you want to win a cash prize tomorrow, it's free to enter, free for all. Here is the video you need to watch, and you leave the comment, poll star in the comments, and you'll be in the draw. That's when I started. Hang on a minute. Dexter Sickles. I want to say, being newer, I took notice more how right market profit has been when he correctly predicted what happened on the 16th. Yes, it's important to take note of what is being said. Very important. Like all bulls are geniuses in a bull market, all the bears are geniuses in a bear market. Yes, I can't see it being down. I can't see it being down 90%, but I said 50% for crypto. Yes. That's when I started paying more attention to him. Me being newer. There you go. The only difference we have. Let me come back to the main screen again. The only difference we had. Hang on. The only difference we had, we have been in a 30-plus year secular bull market, and the blow-off top was in 2021. Nobody under the age of 50 have experienced a real bear market. Scaring everybody right now. Maybe I shouldn't even be it anymore. Maybe I'll end my show and call it the not day trader. I don't invest. I don't day trade. I don't do anything. I just... leave my money in the bank earning 0.5%. Unfortunately, market, you were in the opportunity to make money, so now you can earn a decent percentage. The rest of us, we can't. Our few $1,000s in the bank earns nothing. Absolutely nothing. My money in the bank earns me nothing. Nathan and Uzumaki, hi Guy, that's from Paddy. Some macro analysis are saying we're going to have a market melt up imminently. A market melt up? A market melt up? What exactly does a market melt up mean? At least with your $3, you can go to McDonald's still. Yes. Yes, indeed. Martin, the truth is nobody knows anything for certain. True. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. That is the one thing we should all agree on. No one has a bloody clue what's about to happen. Subscriber, ring the bell. Let us know you're here. We've got just 20 minutes to go. How many people have we kept in on Twitch today? We have got 3. Oh, darn it. We're a bit low today. Never mind. We've got 70 followers now, though. But as long as we're above 3, that's all right. The truth is nobody knows for certain, says Paul. I agree with that. All right, here's our portfolio right now. We're trying to push up. We've been green a couple of times today, but right now we are not, and we are struggling a little bit. So let's see what happens. Market Profit says David Hunter and Tom Lee have been saying that since 2021, the only certain thing is the Fed is not supporting markets. And as the bulls kept chanting last year, don't fight the Fed, don't fight the Fed. No, who's chanting that? I've never chanted it. Who's chanting that? I just found out why here we go. I just found out why we can buy BSV by partial buys like 575. Just found out we can buy, yeah, it's called fractional shares. Yeah, you can buy anything like that if your brokerage allows it, Bill. Look, if I go into any of my stocks, I can buy $5, $1, $10, 13 cents. Doesn't really matter. You can buy any amount if your brokerage allows for fractional shares. It's the same for Tesla. I don't have to go in and buy $675 for a share. I can go, I want $5, please. I can buy $5. It depends on your brokerage. Some brokerages allow fractional shares and some don't. There you go. It's all good. Neurosense Therapeutics. I was up. I'm down now, but I'm holding it. Let's see what happens. I might buy some more if it goes down, if we can wipe out this 33%. I'd done it before, just didn't know BSV had it. Cool beans. Yeah, any stock does. If your brokerage allows for fractional shares, you can buy anything fractionally. All right? That's how it works. Virgin Orbit is sailing away at the moment right now, or should I say blasting away. So I'm very happy about that. Could help my Kickstarter in the morning if it does well, of course. We're hoping for that. So let's keep our fingers crossed there. Let's hope so. Just making some tweaks here, you may have noticed. Just making a couple of little odd tweaks here and there to try and improve things for everybody. Constantly trying to improve my production quality and my sound and my audio and everything. I'm trying to win an award. I'm trying to win the Oscar, the YouTube Oscar for the best production on YouTube. Best sound, best cameras, best lights. I'm determined. No one's paying any attention though. None of you even noticed today that I've made some tweaks. I was surprised. None of you even noticed. I've made a few tweaks today. And most noticeable on TikTok perhaps, but also noticeable here on YouTube. I wondered if anybody would notice. But as yet, no one has. So I'm quite disappointed. Anyway, we've got 15 minutes to go, and we'll do Day Trader of the Day. So let's run our commercial break. Be right back in 1 minute from this. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up, and our final thoughts and our final rundown for a really big day on the show tomorrow. Here we go. Here comes the ad. Okay, some of you saw it, some of you didn't. And we're holding three free viewers on Twitch at the moment. Thank you very much indeed, guys. Appreciate it very much indeed. Okay, here we go. Bitcoin will become Bitcoin when there's only one Bitcoin. I agree 100% with that. And not this fractioned-based army mentality among their respective versions. One of the reasons why I don't bother investing in a version of it. There you go. I am right with you. But do you invest in it at all? Do you invest in it at all? As in you say, you don't invest in a version. Which is the original for you then? Do you regard BSV as the original? Do you regard Bitcoin as the original? I don't know. Or as Kurt was saying yesterday, they're all kind of Bitcoin. They're not really that different. I didn't understand that. I'm going to ask him that again. Because I'm going to get him to clarify that, because if they're all different, how come they're all worth different amounts? Because, at the end of the day, if I own a BTC and it's at 40,000 and goes to 1,000, I'm down 39,000, right? Well, it does matter. It does matter which one you own, doesn't it, from a monetary point of view? No point saying, well, I own a Bitcoin. Well, which one do you own? The one that's worth nothing. Oh, that's all right then. It's not all right, is it? BSV, BTC, whichever, just not interested in them, and the turds that follow and cry about it. I think Kurt was very knowledgeable yesterday, though. I did like what he was saying. I thought he had a lot to say. It made a lot of sense to me. I have to say. So I thought it sounded great. I learned a lot, I think. I think there's a lot more to it, though. It's a lot of opinions and ideas. Very hard to prove the ideas. When I asked him, you remember I asked him, can we actually prove which was the first? And it was very difficult to explain how or if we could. And is that even relevant? So there's more to learn. There's a lot more to learn in this crypto space before you really fully understand it, I think. So right now, I would imagine for 99% of people, they're taking a lucky punt on it all. That's my opinion, which is why I own 11 BSV. I don't see any point in buying the dips. I'm just owning it. Like Market Profit said, the best, the least expensive lottery ticket. That's what he said. And I think Bitcoin, if you want a dollar cost average, that's not a bad idea either. Every few thousand, buy another $50, and do that. That's really all you can do. There's only one CRO, one XRP, one Matic, for example. Yeah, but they're all crypto and they're all different titles. I don't see there's a need for that either. There's thousands of crypto. It just doesn't make any sense to me. These appeal more to me than Bitcoin. I understand why. I get what you're saying. All their uses and so on and so forth. I get it. As you've explained before, the way you use them and spend them, I get it. Okay, we are coming to the end of the show. It's a quick show today. We are going to end at 3 o'clock, which is 3 p.m. Central Time. I have to... I'd rather dollar cost average in toilet roll than Bitcoin. Yeah. Has anybody ever seen Dan Penner? Dan Penner, I find Dan Penner really entertaining. It's just like you watch it and you go, it's just a shouting match. It's just a shouting match. Has anybody watched Dan Penner? Oh my God. Now there you go. He swears a lot, stuff I can't repeat on this channel. But he says, there's one thing he says about Bitcoin. He says, when we find out who is behind Bitcoin, and I mean really behind Bitcoin, it'll go to zero. Vroom! Like that, in a microsecond. I love it. And he swears a bit, and he swears a bit more, then he swears a bit more. And he said, in my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, it'll go to zero in a microsecond. Vroom! Like that. I find it really entertaining. What a time to be alive. Bizarre world it is. It's to the point now, I think drinking yourself to death is probably a good idea. I don't drink, as you know. I have like 1 pint and I'm drunk. But I'm now thinking, that... oh, someone just said Phantom is new. Oh, the sign behind me. No, that's always been there. It's the lighting that's different. That was Nathan Smith, I think. Thanks for the follow, by the way. I thought Bitcoin was a hedge for inflation. Are you having a laugh? Oh, let me do a poll. What is the only thing in the world which is a real hedge against inflation? I'm going to do a poll. I'm going to ask you now, right, what is a poll on YouTube? What is the only hedge against inflation in the world? Right? There is only one thing you can buy in the whole world which is a hedge against inflation, where I guarantee their value will go up, but the price will never go up. So what is the only thing in life that will always go up in value, but the price will never go up? So that is the best hedge of inflation in the history of the world ever. Cans of beans and soup, cans of tuna and lentils, marrying a rich person. There is only one hedge against inflation in the whole world. Something that you can invest in that will never be more expensive to invest in. The price to invest in it will be the same forever, but the value of it will go up and up and up. What is that? I might not even tell you in this. I might make a video and see if anyone gets it right. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Okay, I am going to put out a video now. I'm going to record this, and I might do a little surprise giveaway in the morning. Whoever gets it right. Okay, I'm going to do it. Sod it. Okay, here we go. Okay. So let me go to this screen here and this screen here. All right. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it right now. Let's do it. Let's do it from here. Question for all investors. What is the greatest hedge against inflation in the history of the world ever? And what I mean by that is something that you can invest in today, and you can invest into it again tomorrow, next month, next year, and the price to invest in it will always be the same, but the return on your investment will go up and up and up. That is the perfect hedge against inflation. Is it Bitcoin? Is it a commodity? Is it something else? Something that you can invest in, and by investing in it, the value will go up, the benefit will go up, the return will go up, but it will never cost more to invest in it today and to invest in it in the future. The price of it, if you like the share price of it, will never go up. So it'll get cheaper and cheaper and cheaper over time. If you think you know the answer, leave it below in the comments. Join me later in the week and I will give you the answer to that question. All right? So leave your comments below and tell me what you think it is. And then tune in to our live show, The Day Trader, and I will give you the answer. And then I'll make a follow-up video to this video and give the answer just in case you missed the live show. All right? So leave your comments below. What is the greatest hedge of all time? There you go. I thought I'd leave that one with you. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there we go. The greatest hedge against inflation. So let me make a thumbnail on that. What should I do? The thumbnail can be. Okay, it wants to be this. All right. Okay. All right, that'll do. Do that. The greatest hedge against inflation. All right. Okay. And let me set a time for that. When did that go out? At what time did that go out so I can edit it? "54 minutes. 54 minutes. Okay. $54 mins hedge. All right. There we go. See if anybody gets it right. See if anyone gets it right. What did you say in the comments? See what the comments said. See what some of you said. KY jelly in a stack of Playboys. Oh, I love it. You got it, Paul. Is it ourselves? Simon, oi, oi, pork bellies, gold. Martin's underpants. There you go. They go up in value. Gold because it's good money. All right. I'll see if anyone gets it right. I want you to, so when I put that video out, I want you to comment on it and we'll find out who got it right. Okay, does that make sense? And then we'll reveal the answer. First, hello, First Impression Films. Right, we're coming 5 minutes before the bell. We're just about to end the show. It's a short show today. We've got 4 viewers on Twitch today. So it's above 3, but unfortunately it's not as high as it was this morning, which is a bit of a shame. But as long as we're above 3, I guess it's all right. Anyway, if you want to hop into open Twitch up for the last 5 now. If you want to open up Twitch for the last few minutes, appreciate it. If we can get it above anything above 3 will be great. Anything higher than that will be great. You will claim it. Robert Rose says you'll claim it to be your what? Membership. And you'll find out. All right. There you go. Right. It's time for Day Trader of the Day as we close the bell. I love you, Day Trader. Thank you so much indeed. I love all of you. I love all of you. It's why we're here. We love doing what we do. And thank you very much indeed. We have a lot of fun, don't we? We have some fun here. It's what it's all about. So welcome to all of you. July is going to be bullish. July is going to be bullish. Oh, wouldn't that be great? Market profit will say that it'll all crash back down again. But let's hope not. Let's hope for a great month and it stays great. I'm sick and tired of it going back down again, aren't you? But it's tiring. It's hard work. It's hard work. All right. How many likes have we got now? 14 likes. The bottom is in today. I'm saying that. Yep, bottom is in today. And then next week we'll say it again. Bloody hell, it's been down for 6 months. Watch the interview with Kurt. Great stuff. Oh, I'm glad you enjoyed that. I'm glad you enjoyed that. I'm very proud of that one. Do you know that Kurt has been interviewed by Fox, CNN, all the big TV stations. And he decided to come on my show. There you go. I tell you what, you are not a celebrity or a serious crypto or a serious investor or anything. You're not anything. You're not anything if you've not come on the Day Trader show. Right? It's official. The word is on the word on the street. I've heard it. I put me ear to the street, and you know what the people are saying? They're saying you need to go on the Day Trader show. If you want to be credible and real, you've got to go on the Day Trader show. And if you've not been on the Day Trader show, you've not been on a show. You've been on Fox. You've been on CNN. You've been on the BBC. Yeah, but you haven't been on the Day Trader show. And Kurt realised that. So he decided to come on the Day Trader show. Here he was. And we had a great interview. And Fusion watched it earlier on. Thank you very much indeed. Did the rest of you watch it? I don't know. Shall I give you the link? Do you want to go and watch a celebrity? Not me. Past live streams. This is the video here. Okay, and I'm going to give you the link. In case you didn't see it, past live streams, yesterday's closing bell. Here we go. There it is in the chat. There you go. Don't say I don't share everything with you. Okay, there it is, if you've not yet seen it. Right then. The bell is about to go. 1 minute. Here we go. It's bell time. Get ready to ring the bell. Dexter is up 0.22. We're getting ready for Day Trader of the Day. Dexter Sickles is up. We love it. We love it. Dexter Sickles is making money and he loves it. And let's hope we can all be up today. I'm pretty sure we're not going to be though. 20 seconds to go. 20 seconds to go to close the bell. Very quiet show today. Not many people here because everybody's all stressed and losing money. It's what always happens. You can always rely on the day trader. Chiggy 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 you, chiggy 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 you. Here we go, here we go. Chiggy chiggy chiggy, boom boom. All right, the bell's gone. There goes the bell. There goes the bell. All right. Should we ring it again? Just because we can, right? Just because we can. We'll ring it again. All right, there we go. Let's have a look. Let's see what happens now. See what happens. Up in the after hours, 1.49. Okay, we like that. I'm down 14% now. One more time. One more time. There you go. I've got the best closing bell on YouTube. Flipping out. There's some idiots. They've never listened to the exchange bell. They don't have the exchange bell. They have like sirens and all sorts. I'm the only one who has the actual exchange bell. That's the actual exchange bell, all right? Okay. Unbelievable. First Impressions loves it. Now up 0.42. I'm going to wait for a minute before I give my score in because it's still going up. Right, in the after hours, we're up. Virgin Galactic, we're up. Oh, we're down on Virgin Orbit in the after hours. Tesla, we are down 0.01. Oh, where did Figs end up? Figs better not be up. If I see Figs up now, I'm going to be upset. Should never look. I'll tell you why in a minute. What did I sell it for today? Sell at 9.26. Buy. Yeah, 9.26 again. Yeah. That's all right. Cheat, yeah. Everybody get your scores in. Give me 5 minutes and then I'll give you mine. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Here we go. Here's my score. Here's my score. All right, here we go. Down 1.3%. There you go. I'm down 1.3%. Martyn Lucas, the day trader, is cheating. Martyn Lucas, the day trader, is a cheating. Down 1.3. All right? Okay. Let's give everybody a minute. Let's go. Let's have a look. Dexter Sickles is up 0.22. He goes into the lead. He's now up 0.42. Dexter Sickles increases his lead. Up 0.59. Rocket Man goes straight into the lead. 0.59. Rocket Man, great to have you here, Rocket Man. It's been ages. Where have you been? Where have you been? What's been going on? Down 1.9. NRSN now is down 6%. Oh, that's great. That's great. That's absolutely fantastic. Chiggy, 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 you. Ba with the real Satoshi. Please stand up. All right. Okay, let's blow the horn. Brickmark is down 0.01. First Impressions is down 1.9. So it looks like Rocket Man is the winner. Oh, my portfolio is up 0.51. I go ahead. Look at my portfolio. Why isn't it on the screen? Hang on a minute. What's going on here? Look. 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 There you go. I am all of a sudden exploding. What is it? Let me have a look. Neurosense is going down. Brilliant. Losing all my money. Been ill, but still watching. Ah, Rocket Man's not been well. Vanguard S&P is up 5.2 in the after hours. That is absolutely huge. What has happened? What has happened? This is big news. It's not Tesla. It's not. What is it? What is it? What has just gone up a huge amount? It has to be Apple or Amazon. It's not Amazon. It's not Apple. What the hell is it? That can't be right. That can't be. What is going on here? How's that suddenly shot up like that? 5% in the last hour. The only thing that's in my portfolio is VU, but what has done it? Inside VU, what's done it? Nothing I have has done it. None of my stocks have gone up that much. None of my stocks have gone up that much. In the last hour, $1,500. I can't see what has done that. It's the S&P collectively is a third of it, but what stock within that has done that? Tesla is part of it, but it isn't Tesla. I can't work out what that is. What has gone up that much? Amazon hasn't done it. Apple hasn't done it. The biggest, see, I don't get it. Something has popped up, but I can't see it. I've no idea. Something has reported or something has done something, but all the biggest stocks I've got independently haven't done anything. In fact, they're all down. I don't know where that came from. Take the money and run. So anyway, let's give a big thank you to Rocket Man. There we go. And give him a big thumbs up as well. There you go. And also, let's give him a big, oh, hang on, big round of applause as well. Here we go. I have no idea. It's a crazy, it's a small, small world after all. It's a small, small world after all. Reuters just reporting that that this might be Tesla's worst quarter ever. Yeah, I've heard that. I've already been preparing for that. Not in a way you might think, though. But anyway, that went up and down really quick. I've no idea what that was. Robinhood glitch. It's got to be. It's like, what the bloody hell? Anyway, oh well. So even the glitches make you feel bad, right? You go up and then down again. There you go. Yeah, we're back down to where we were. So the winner today, without a question about it, is Rocket Man. Being a little bit ill. Right, okay, you ready, folks? We are only one thing. We are only here live every day, 10 million hours a day, for a couple of bucks a day, because we help people. That's it. That's what I do. I sit here and talk to you every day to give everyone love and company and support, information. What do I get? Nothing. So we are only here to help people, right? And Rocket Man is Rocket Man one of our members before I'm too nice? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. He's one of our yellows. He's been a member for 3 months. He'll be 6 months soon. He's been at least 3 months. Rocket Man has been a fan and a supporter of the channel for a very long time. Your badge will turn gold soon when you've been 6 months. So, on that basis, he's been away. I don't know if we can allow him to be away. I don't know if we can allow him to be away. But he has been away. So we want to say, welcome back. Welcome. So I want everyone to copy and paste. Welcome back. Glad you're feeling better. He's not been very well. He's been poorly. All right. So I want everyone to copy and paste. If you don't do it, you're a miserable sod, and you don't deserve to get this world-class entertainment for free. Right. So here it is. Okay. Here we go. Welcome back. Glad you're feeling better. This is to Rocket Man. He's not been very well. He's had a headache. Basically, he said he's not been feeling well, which means he's probably had a poorly toe and a headache, if I'm totally honest. All right? I mean, Dave Mottram, he's got chemotherapy. He's got cancer and all sorts. He's got a reason to moan. But Rocket Man's probably had a headache and a dodgy toe. But assuming that's what it is, I want everyone to copy and paste. Welcome back. Glad you're feeling better. Because you know why? Because it will make him feel good. And I'll even play some happy music and blow a party blower. And just because I'm feeling completely ridiculous, I'm even going to welcome him back completely over the top. You ready? We're going to celebrate. You ready? Everyone loves a few fireworks. There you go. Congratulations. There we go. It's great to have you back. Oh, talk about over the top. That was the most over the top ridiculous thing. But you know what? I bet he loved it, right? I bet he loved it. Do you know what? I'm going to make my cheers thing bigger. That needs to be right there, look. I'm going to make that bigger because it needs to fit there. It needs to fit in that space there, underneath the stocks and the shares. All right, like that. There you go. Is that good? That's good, isn't it? Do it again. Do it again. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's good, isn't it? It's good here. You don't get this on Netflix. We love the day trader. Thank you so much indeed. We love the day trader. Welcome back and glad you're feeling better. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad you're feeling better. From a miserable sod. There you go. From a miserable sod. Yes. Yes, indeed. I love how the fireworks. It's good, isn't it? It's good, isn't it? I can't stop the music though. I've forgotten where the music button is. Where is it? There it is. Found it. All right, there you go. Yeah, pretty good that, right? Pretty good that. Can you make the fireworks look more realistic? Well, yeah, I could actually if I could go out and film. You know what I mean? Yeah. Could I make the fireworks look more realistic? What do you think this is? Could you make the fireworks look more realistic? I probably could if I downloaded a very expensive video file, but that was quite cheap. It was kind of free. All right, it was free. I got it for free. Don't ask for too much. Set off a banger on your piano. Set off a banger. Hey, did you do that when you were kids? Who did setting off bangers when they were kids? Who, when they were kids, would light a banger and then throw it? And then everybody would be really, really upset with you. Do you remember that? Did anybody ever do that? Light a banger. There's little red bangers. You remember? Little red firework. You light it and you throw it. I did it once. Scared the hell out of me. It was too loud. So I decided not to do it again. Anyway, there you go. Let's have a look at NeuroSense. It's down 18% now. Kids, I still do that. I still do it. I still do it. Absolutely. Throw at people's feet. There we go. We got everyone doing it now. You terrible people. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. Yeah, I'm going to wait for that to go down before I do anything else. I'd like to buy more because what it's doing for Alzheimer's could be interesting, but I'm not going to buy any more, though. I'm not going to buy any more at the moment, all right? I haven't made any money on it yet. Okay, here we go. We're going to wrap up the show right now. So before we go, we are back in the morning, but let me just tell you a few things first of all. First of all, if you've signed up for the newsletter, or at least you think you have, go and search for this email in your inbox. Because if you have subscribed to the email, you may not have verified it. Some people haven't. There is the email you just need to search for. thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Some of you haven't yet done that, so you won't receive our very first newsletter on what day is it on? What day is it on? Sunday. All right? So if 5 minutes after this time on Sunday you've not received the email, that's because you never verified it. All right? There it is in the chat twice. On the other hand, if you'd like to get the email, and you'd like to be part of our newsletter, Fun and Games, remember you can always unsubscribe if you don't want it anymore. It's a free magazine, Sunday supplement, comes once a week. There it is. There is the email. There it is. And once you click on it, it will bring you to this page here. You click on that. You put your email in there. And then you click subscribe. And then you have to check your email inbox for your verification to make sure that you've got it. All right? Very, very good. That's that. And here is your last chance. I'm never going to post it again. Here's your last chance for the competition video. If you want to win $10 in the morning, watch the video all the way through, leave the comment, Polestar, comment, and look out for my other video coming out about what's the only hedge against inflation. Paul B, your yearly newsletter guide on Martyn's undies. There it is. That's official. You've heard it official now from Paul B. So it must be true. It must be true if Paul B said it. I'm telling you that. Right. Let me see how many we got on Twitch. Oh, it's dropped to 2. Darn it. I'm going to end Twitch now because that's bringing my average down. Flipping heck. People came out of Twitch too quick. Oh, damn it. Let me end Twitch now before it affects it too much. There we go. Twitch turned it off. Hopefully it won't bring me down. We're at 2.8. We're trying to get to We're trying to get to 3. Anyway, and lastly, tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., an hour and a half into our show, it's my Kickstarter. Now, why I'm doing it is to create a movie, but mostly to get make our YouTube channel viral. And how we do that is becoming viral on Kickstarter. And how we do that is if we can get funded within an hour. So remember, if you do decide to back the project in the morning, you are not committing any money to it at all until it gets fully funded. Now, the cost of the project of me making the movie is a few $1,000s. Going to England, film, so on and so forth, interview people. But I want to go viral, so I've borrowed and scraped and scrimped from my family and friends to help me do it. And I'm asking for the minimum amount possible to complete it, which is $500. So hopefully Kickstarter, if we get funded within an hour, Kickstarter will promote it and then we'll become viral on Kickstarter, which hopefully will grow the YouTube channel. That's the idea. I've never done it before, but we'll find out in 17 hours and 42 minutes. It runs for 3 weeks, but I want to get funded within the hour. That is the record that everyone wants to aim for. Okay. I am. Do it again. Do what again in first impressions? Jerry Tan. Hello, bro. Can you help me do a Bitcoin price prediction? We've got a new guest here. We've got a new guest. Let's welcome our guest in. As we're going to end the show now. Unfortunately, we're just coming to the end of the show. We're about to finish our show. So let me introduce myself to you. Hello, how are you? This is my TV studio. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas. This is the music studio is back there. I'm known as the World Piano Man. I performed all over the world. I do voices, impressions, and music live in the show if anyone requests it. And we've raised over $1 million for our members in this studio. And here at the front of the studio is the Day Trader Studio. And welcome, welcome. We go live every day with our real trades, our real money. We don't influence, promote anything. We just invest our real money. This is my real portfolio. And this is my real money in crypto. Ethereum, I've sold out. Sold it all. I only have, 94 cents left. Bitcoin, I had about 10 grand in Bitcoin. Sold it all. I've been buying it back a little bit by a little bit. I think Bitcoin's going to go down to $10,000. It could go even lower. There you go. That's my prediction. That's what I think is going to happen. If I didn't, I wouldn't have sold it, right? So it's the most real, honest information you're going to get on YouTube. That's my real money. That's my real position. And that's what I've really done. So you can't get more honest than that, right? Oh, Twitch hasn't ended. Hang on a minute. Why hasn't Twitch ended? How is Twitch still running? Oh, it didn't do it. It didn't end it. I've got to do that again. It didn't end it. Jerry Tan just subscribed to our channel. Jerry Tan just subscribed to our channel. I tried to end it. It didn't end it. Right, I've got to end the entire stream. Right, we got to finish the show quick now. Then otherwise my numbers are going to go down quickly. All right. Okay. So Jerry, it's wonderful to have you here. Thank you very much indeed. He just became a subscriber. We now got 3,711. Thanks for being here. Subscribe, ring the bell. Let me tell you what we do, Jerry. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Tomorrow morning we have a cash giveaway. It's free to enter, free for all. You can be in it. If you want to be in it, here's the competition video. Here it is. I'm giving away the money I make on the video, which is $10. That's all I make on the video. So there you, I give it to you. I do it every Friday. Every Friday I give away the money I make for my day's work. But I'm happy to do it. Hello, bro. Easy, Jerry. Wait till it goes under 10,000, then think about it. There you go. I just subscribed to the newsletter. Thank you, First Impressions. First Impressions has just become my latest member. Let me check. It was 36. It should have gone up to 37 if you verified it. Have you verified it? 38. Yes, 2 more people are in. Yay. He's not a bot. There you go. Welcome, Gary. Thank you very much, sir. I subscribe. God bless you all. In the studio, Jerry, if you have a cause you'd like to support, I've raised over $1 million where you get all the money. I take no commission. I don't charge you anything for fundraiser music concerts. We've done it for loads of our members. If you want to be a member, here you go. Let me give you the invitation to join. You'll see nearly everybody has a badge. That's because nearly everybody is a member to our channel because they get 20 times back what they put in. Ask anybody. And in the morning is our cash giveaway, cash prize giveaway. There you go. And also, if you become a member on your birthday, we celebrate your birthday. Remember, we celebrate your birthday with a music concert. You get to keep the video as well, and also you get full access to our Discord. Let me give you the Discord link as well. Here you go. And if you become a member, let me know you're a member, and I will manually upgrade you so you can see all of the exclusive channels. Right now, you will only see the open public channels. And then when you're a member, you can call in live to the show and have your say on the show, like Paul B did.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Like Ali Tisro did.
You should definitely join the day trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Fusion said, my wife asked me why I'm starting to sound like a bit of a British accent. I said, oh, lovely, brilliant. Are you being cheeky or are you just a miserable sod? Told her to subscribe to the day trader. Hey, love it. Fusion 301 I told her, are you being cheeky or just a miserable sod? Told her to subscribe to the day trader. Hey, hang on a minute. That's not good enough. You can't just tell her to subscribe to the day trader. You got to do more than that. Oh, wow, look. This video with Kurt now has done 400 views. Look at this. Everybody loved that video. Look. Oh, you can't quite see it. It's too big for the screen. Never mind. Never mind. Right. Hang on a minute. If we've got people now tuning in wanting to subscribe to something, subscribe to my music channel. On the day trader, look. On the day trader, you scroll down and what do you see? What do you see? Martyn Lucas and my music. Martyn Lucas and his music. That's what you see. Make sure you subscribe to Martyn Lucas and his music. Right? You ready? Okay. Here we go. So click on this. This is what you got to click on. I want a subscriber. I'm always promoting everybody else. Someone subscribe to me. I always forget to promote myself. There's my music channel. If you want to go and hear me sing the Elton John or the Lady in Red with the beautiful Lady in Red, there you go. There is the video. There is the channel. Okay, we got to end the show right now. We're back in the morning. Don't forget the Kickstarter starts in the morning. Well, I will launch it at 9 a.m. and hopefully it'll work. 'Tis true. 'Tis part of the 20 times you get back. Yes, it is. It's part of the 20 times you get back. Yeah. One of the things you get if you join the Day Trader and pay me a couple of bucks a month is you learn a British accent. Absolutely. I should put that in one of the terms and conditions. I don't know why I never did. So I'm going to show you right now, Martyn Lucas, lady in red, because I want to show our new guests. We got new guests in here right now. They want to see this video, right? There you go. If you've not yet seen my video, this is one of the videos, all right? I've got hundreds. Actually, a few thousand, if I'm totally honest. Right, just going to give this now just so our friends can see it. There you go. Do you want a little sound clip? There you go. Seeing you look as lovely as you do tonight. Video in all the world with 10 trillion million views. All right, 1 million trillion views, and yep, that's a real thing, by the way. We don't hear toy. We don't hear you. Did I? That's because it's copyrighted. That's because it's copyrighted. You've got to go and check out the video, right? There you go. Cheek to cheek, and there's nobody here. There you go. 1 million, we hear you now. 1 million trillion million views. Go and check it out. All right. I'm not giving it away for free. You've got to go and click on the link. That's it. Right. I'll see you all back in the morning. We want to welcome our new guests and our new friends who joined us tonight. Thank you very much for being part of our show tonight. Lovely as always to make new guests, new friends. And I hope everyone survived another day. Maybe we are reaching the bottom. Can anyone hold on much longer? Is everybody going to be okay? It's a tough old time, isn't it? Anyway, we'll see you back in the morning. Please share the video. Tell everyone you know who might want to back a Kickstarter campaign, who would like to make a video go viral, who would like to go viral on Kickstarter, if you'd like to be part of the film of Virgin Orbit. Join me in the morning, and an hour and a half into the show, we'll start the Kickstarter. I have no idea what's going to happen. I'll probably get $3, and all this will be a complete waste of time. But I'm going to do my best. I've been doing my best now for months. All right, that's it. Thank you ever so much indeed. Take care of yourselves and each other.